Hello there. It was rather chilly still on Saturday, but there was a lot of sunshine around and it's looking similar to on Sunday, but perhaps just a bit more in the way of cloud overall. Still the best of the blue skies across the southern half of England.
At least 34 people have died after tornadoes and severe storms tear through central and southern parts of the United States.
We saw some very dramatic images from the United States.
Indeed, yes, and this is probably the sort of view they've got from space at the moment. It's been a multiple severe storm event across the US. Let me just show you it's been happening. We've seen one weather system push its way eastwards, fed by warm air from the Gulf of Mexico, colder air pushing in, and this is the latest one which is now working with some further tornado outbreaks currently on the go between Alabama and Georgia. That storm, not done yet, will only fade away as we go through later today. Plenty of sunlight, to be honest, Ben. Yeah, lovely day to come in London today. A little bit on the chilly side if you are heading off to Wembley. Temperatures 9-10 degrees for much of the day, but it should stay largely sunny. It's not going to be the same everywhere today, though. Let me take you to the northeast of England. This cloud has been spilling its way in through the night and will extend across other parts of England and Wales as we go through the day.
And some sunshine creeping through.
Indeed, yeah. Who knows what it's going to be like in April? It could be anything. As it is this morning, I think, in some spots. Even this picture behind me from Gloucestershire is like two different things being played out. The sun has melted the frost there to one side of me. Frost still in place out towards the other side of the canal. And it is a case of a rather cold start for some, in fact, particularly cold night in one or two spots. These are just some of the coldest places overnight. At Benson in Oxfordshire, near Oxford, we saw temperatures below -7 degrees, making it the coldest March night in around 12 years. Woburn, near Milton Keynes, wasn't a million miles behind either. So pretty chilly, but if anything, this week things will become a little less chilly. The frost will disappear, and that's because we're going to see a shift in conditions. Losing the northerly winds, the blue colours in this chart indicate where temperatures are below average to start the week. Notice, though, these warmer oranges and yellows start to appear, indicating that by Thursday and Friday, temperatures will be well above normal. Some spots of England and Wales could hit around 17 or 18 degrees. So quite a turnaround to what we've got out there right now. To head further north, it's a different story where we had the best of sunshine yesterday. Southwest Scotland, take a look at this coming in from a weather watcher Ryan. There's a lot more cloud around and there will be more cloud generally across the UK today. Low pressure developing in the East Atlantic, but what that does, it shifts the wind direction into a more southerly direction, bringing milder air. But by the end of the week, and this might be something that gardeners enjoy more than anything else, there will be the return of some rain at times too. So there you go, the week ahead in a nutshell. For the capital cities at least, you can find your local forecast on the BBC Weather app. But Wednesday, Thursday, we'll see lots of sunshine around. Temperature 17-18 degrees for parts of England and Wales. A little bit cooler Friday, Saturday, and there will be rain at times, but by far a washout. Back to you both.
Great, Matt. We've been talking, haven't we, about this extraordinary weather, these tornadoes in the
Indeed,
States,
yes.
sort of sweeping across. Does that come across the Atlantic? Is that going to impact on our weather at any point? Do we know that?
It's not going to impact on our weather, but what it does, it stirs up the atmosphere, so that's why we're going to start to see a few changes in the way our weather patterns are happening. And those storms in the US at the moment are going to ease through today, so it'll become less of a potent feature, but not affecting us directly, at least not for now.
All right, thanks, Matt. Good to know.
Relief to hear. Thanks very much, Matt. We'll see you later.
Hello, good afternoon. After a chilly start to the day today, temperatures gradually climbing in any brightness to around average for the time of year.
Today, though, we have a chilly wind coming in off the North Sea, and that's brought quite a few showers into Scarborough, other parts of North Yorkshire.
Hello there, good evening. Rather chilly again today, a bit more cloud around than we saw yesterday, but the best of the sunshine, the blue sky was once more towards the southern part of England, such as here in Mervagissey and Cornwall. Now, there will be more cloud as we start, again, the new working week, but for the next few days, no big changes. So mostly dry, cloudy, yes, at times, but some sunny spells, still some rather chilly, frosty nights.
Of low pressure, we're going to find some warmer winds heading our way later on in the week, but that's a little way off. We've seen quite a few showers around today, drizzly nuisance sort of showers affecting northern parts of England.
Hello there. Very good evening to you. Well, today there has been a bit of sunshine to begin with first thing this morning. A very cold and frosty start though. Temperatures well below freezing. You can see here lose the blues and say hello once again to the yellows and the oranges, which suggests that temperatures will rise. Plenty of sunshine to come on Tuesday and Wednesday. But look at this, up to 17 or 18 degrees Celsius by Thursday. See you later.
Hello, good evening. Over the next few days or so, temperatures will be lifting across the whole of the UK. And with high pressure in charge of our weather during this week, mostly dry conditions will exist and there'll be some sunshine to look forward to, with temperatures peaking on Thursday or Friday at potentially around 19 degrees.